Here's my Audi. Obviously it's been in an accident. You can see here. This chassis leg was bent in so much that it was actually touching the belt. I managed to put it back a bit. So just trying to finish it. I've done most of this with this little tool here. Yeah. I need to pull this one as well. It's gone across that way as well. And then this one needs to come back a bit that way. Yeah, I've got the slam panel there from a Audi A3, and I'm going to use that to try and help me line up my mounting points, because I don't have any kind of data. Well, I used my cursor the other day to try and do that, but I couldn't get it anymore because the cursor was moving, the car was moving, and I thought the truck would do the job a bit better. So let's have a look here and pump it. Let me tension it. Oh, this stupid thing here. The winch. Looking out, handbrake's off on the truck, I think, because it's pulling the truck. So first gear, handbrake up. Careful not to flatten the battery as well. I think that damn remote just dropped out my hand. Truck is moving, bollocks. If I had my matey here, who's taking forever to come, he can help me hold the brakes on the truck, because I don't think the handbrake is very good. I don't want to bang my gearbox, but it's going to work if I drive the truck forward a bit as well. And probably the Audi will try to drive away as well, who knows. But if you don't have a jig, something like this could possibly work.